Welcome to Togile CRM. In this video, we'll show you how to perform bulk actions like edit, assign, and delete on leads, deals, contacts, and companies. Start by navigating to any of the entities, leads, deals, contacts, or companies from the top navigation bar. Now in the list view, select the checkboxes next to the records you want to update or select all. Once selected, the bulk action bar will appear at the top. Click on Update Field. Click Edit to make changes to fields like owner, status, source, or custom fields. All selected records will be updated with the new values. Click on Owner and choose a new owner. Now click on Status. Afterwards, choose a new status. Click on Pipeline and choose a pipeline. Then tick the confirmation box. Next up, click on Update. After that, again, select all records in the list view. Click on Add Tags. Choose Add Tag from the drop-down. Search for your desired tag. Choose a tag from the drop-down menu. After that, click on Update. Again, select all from the list view. To reassign leads or deals, click on the Assign button and select a new user. This is useful when you're managing teams and distributing workloads. Click on Select Owner. Then select a new owner. Once done, click on Update. Now select all records from the list view. If you want to remove records, click Delete. Tick the confirmation box to confirm your action. Once done, click on Delete and the selected records will be permanently removed. For now, we won't delete, so click on Cancel Bulk Selection. And that's how you perform bulk actions on leads, deals, contacts, and companies in Togile CRM. Like, share, subscribe, and for more tutorials, explore our video library.